Hey folks, welcome to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be showcasing, hold on one second, Miss Thing. Get into her, okay? Listen, if you're new here, welcome. We do everything here synthetically fun, and if you've been here and you already know what we're about to do, girl, let's go ahead and get into who's that girl. You can watch me put her all the way together, and yeah, I'll go about giving you all her sneaky deaky details. All right, come on, let's get into this video. All right. Alright folks, so let's just jump right into this video. I got this wig from wigtypes.com. It's from Outre and it's the Melted Hair Collection, and her name is LEA. She is 28 inches. She comes with soft HD transparent lace. She's 5 inches deep parting space. Completely pre-plucked hairline and sideburns, and when they say completely, they mean it, okay? Pre-attached wide elastic band for secure fit, fast and easy, effortless, glueless install, natural baby hairs, and she has a comfort fit ear contour, which means she definitely comes ear to ear, and Outre did not exaggerate when they said this. Now I got Miss LEA in the color DRST Sliver Noir, and she is heat safe up to 400 degrees. And you can wear my girl glueless. Okay, I'm here for that. Now straight out the box, this is what the hairline was giving. This is what the wig was looking like. I picked a silver color because I wanted to do something a little bit different. And she did not disappoint. I'm not gonna hold you. But she looks really good. So that's all the information I got on Miss LEA. So let's go ahead and get into this install. Now this is the inside of the wig. It has 2 combs on the side, 1 in the back, adjustable elastic band, as well as an adjustable elastic strap. She was definitely big head friendly, and she did come ear to ear. So this is me trying on the wig for the first time, and yeah, I am not gonna lie, when she said completely plucked, I was pleasantly surprised. I didn't realize she was a middle part, so I was trying to figure out which side I wanted her to be on, but she is the bust down middle part. You do not, I repeat, you do not have to pluck her. I did on one side to kind of sort of see the difference. In all actuality, she looked, by the time I was done, there was no need for it. Honestly, there was no need for it. So I'm going to go ahead and speed up this video so you can see the process of me putting her on. I am going to actually show you a little bit of me plucking, as well as the gluing and the blow drying and the process that you must trust, because at the end you'll be pleasantly surprised, just like how I was. So let me just go ahead and fast forward through this whole thing so you can go ahead and see how I installed Miss LEA. All right, see you at the end of this video so I can let you know how I feel about her. Now that I put her all the way together, let me go ahead and give you my thoughts on Miss Leah. Now, Outre, you definitely did your thing on this wig. The only complaint that I would have is the way that she feels. The texture on her is not soft. It's a little bit more on the Barbie side for me. I don't know if this is just a bad batch, but if it wasn't for that, I would give this wig a 10, 10, 10. As of right now, she's probably like a 7.5. She's giving looks. She's giving easy melt. She's giving the colors. Oh, the colors, baby. Okay? I kind of wish I didn't stick to this one, but we're here, so it is what it is. But even with this color, this Silver Fox, she's still giving. Okay? She is definitely big head friendly. She did tangle and she probably will shed on you. Even though I did pluck her, there was a lot of shedding going on with this wig and I didn't even comb her out. That was just me with my using my fingers. Would I buy her again? I'm not gonna lie, like you can legit wear this glueless. She's cute. I would want to see her in another color, but I think I might stick with this one only because of the texture. If it wasn't the texture, baby, I probably would buy her again. Because she's everything a synthetic wig should be, minus the texture. 2, where would I wear her to? Baby, she is definitely a vacation. I'm on somebody's island. I am in a bathing suit looking ready to swim with the whales. You feel me? With my big plus size frame, I am ready to swim with the dolphins, the whales. I'll even take on a shark with Miss Leah on my head. You feel me? Don't quote me on that, but that's all. Anyway, folks, I hope you like what you see in this video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so every time I upload a baddie like this one. And oh baby, she bad. You will go ahead and get notified. Alright folks, thank you. See you in my next video. Later. Bye.